And it's my second day dito sa may Paris. And now, dito tayo sa Disneyland. Dito sa Paris. Oh, Disneyland Paris. Kita nyo ba yan, guys? Disneyland yan. Disneyland talaga. Bongga! Talaga. So, first, papunta tayo dito sa Disney Adventure World. Yan na. So, gonna get there. Kasi bawal ang selfie stick. Okay, so let's go. Thank you. And again, sa loob na tayo ng See you soon, Char. See you soon. Let's gonna get it. Dito sa kanilang, papasok tayo dito sa kanilang Walt Disney Studios Boutique. Char! Hello! Let's check anong meron dito. Masyadong, kala mo bibili, hindi naman talaga bibili. Oh, marami silang mga souvenir, guys. Sure. Guys, 25 euro pala to. May gusto ko sana bumili kaso wala tayong budget. 25 euro. Pero ang ganda. And now, let's go to their world premiere. World premiere talaga, no? So, let's go inside. Yes, ito na yung loob niya, guys. So, the Disney Studios. Ito na tayo sa OMG. That's so nice. Meron din sila ditong The Hollywood Gardens. So, I think it's a restaurant. So, pwede kang kumain dyan kung gusto nyo. Siyempre, kung may budget ka, pwede kang kumain dyan, diba? And dito naman tayo sa Five and Dine. Let's go. Let's go inside kung anong meron dito. Oh. Here you can find the Mickey and Friends. That also seem a souvenir shop. So, pwede rin kayo bumili dito. Of course. Dami people. Let's check the price at home. Oh, who's this? Sino to? There's one. Oh. 25 euro on the other side kasi ang prices range from 8 euro, 9 euro, tapos 15 euro, and may 25 euro. Ano din for souvenir, kung gusto niyo bumili. Here you can find the Marvel. It's Marvel. Marvel collection. Oh, it's... Oh. There's the Stitch. And they also have some refreshment and snacks. And now let's go to their world premiere, Disney Theater. Let's go inside. So, what's this? I think parang lumabas lang yata ako. they have this. Oh, what's that? So what's this? Lumusot lang ba ako? Oh, it's not. It's different, guys. Different. Oh. And now, dito tayo ngayon sa kanilang Animation Academy. Animation Academy, what's that? Animagiki Theater. Let's go inside. What's inside, Char? So, nasa pilahan tayo. Papasok tayo sa mall. Ang hirap basahin. Kayo na magbasa. Pasok na tayo. Grabe mo, Marcha. And we are inside, guys. Sa kanyang theater. Manonood tayo ng pagkabugabong theater. Char. Bawal pala mag-video dito kapag nag-start na yung show.
Madame and Monsieur, the kitchen staff proudly request the honor of your...
Magic. It's my favorite. No, wait. I love summer more. No, magic.
And nakalabas na tayo sa theater. Ang ganda. Para akong nanood ng yung sa TV, tapos sa personal mo siya napanood. Bongga, ganun yung atake niya, mga tias and so perfect talaga.